Hi children, hope everyone is keeping fine. In today's computer class, we'll see about the keyboard. In this class, you will learn about keyboard, types of keys in a keyboard, and functions of keyboard. Children, now this is a keyboard. With the help of a picture, you can see, no? And let us learn more about keyboard. Keyboard is an important tool that allows a user to communicate with the computer. It is composed of keys that send a signal to the computer that the computer recognizes and uses to carry out processes and programs. Keyboard comes in a various shapes and sizes. Children, now let's see what is keyboard. Keyboard is an input device that allows us to give instruction to the computer. ಕೀಬೋರ್ಡ್ ನಮ್ಗೆ ಏನು ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ, ನಾವು ಕಂಪ್ಯೂಟರ್ಗೆ ಇನ್ಸ್ಟ್ರಕ್ಷನ್ಸ್ ಅಥವಾ ಕಮ್ಯಾಂಡ್ ಕೊಡ್ತೀವಿ. The small buttons in a keyboard, we call it as a keys. Standard keyboard has 104 keys. Okay children, now let's see the different types of keys in a keyboard. The keyboard is divided into 5 different types. First is a alphabet key or letter keys. Second one, number keys or numeric keys. The third one, arrow keys. The fourth one, function keys. And the last one is a special purpose keys. Now let's see about the different types of keys one by one. First is a alphabet key or letter keys. Children, everyone knows that English has a 26 alphabets. It starts from A to Z. In a keyboard, you can type the letters in a capital and in a small letter, that is A to Z. Key is number key or numeric key. Everyone knows that the numbers starts from 1 to not 10, it's a 0 to 9. In a keyboard, you have a number keys which starts from 0 to 9. In a keyboard, you can see with the help of a picture, you will be having the numbers in the two different sides. Okay children, everyone should say always the number key starts from 0 to 9. Okay children, now let's see the next type of keys, that is arrow keys. Children, this key is also called as cursor key. You have a 4 different types of arrow keys in a keyboard. In a picture, see clearly, I have marked in a red color, that is the arrow keys. Okay, the first is a up arrow key, second one down arrow key, third one right arrow key, and the fourth one is a left arrow key. This is used to bring the cursor up, down, right and left side. It is also used to play games in a computer. Now let's see the function keys. The function keys will be on the top of the keyboard. It starts from F1 to F12. Okay children, let's see what are the uses of function keys. The first key, function key, is used to help. F2 for edit, F3 for paste, F4 for repeat the last action, F5 for refresh or go to, F6 for next pane, F7 spelling check, F8 extend mode, F9 recalculate all work, F10 activate menu bar, F11 new chart, and F12 save as. Children, this keys is also used to install the softwares in a computer. Let's move on to the last type of keys, that is special purpose key or special keys. Apart from the four different types of keys what you have seen, the other keys we call it as a special keys. Example, space bar key, caps lock key, backspace key, shift key, enter key, and so on. Now let us see the different types of special purpose key. First one, the special keys is used for a special and unique functions. Caps lock key. Caps lock key is used to type the alphabets in a capital letters. Next, numlock key. Numlock key will be in the right side of the keyboard. When you press the key, that one small light will blink. It means that you can type the numbers which is given on the right side of a keyboard. And the next key is a space bar key. Space bar key is used to give the one letter space, and it is the longest key in a keyboard. Next key is backspace key. This key is used to delete the letters. When you press the backspace key, it deletes the letters from the left side, that is from the back side. And there is one more key, we call it as a delete key. That key is used to delete the letters or file or a folder in a computer. When you press the delete key, it deletes the letters from the right side. So there is a difference between delete key and a backspace key. The next key is a shift key. This key is used to type the upper characters in a keyboard. This one is a control and alt key. This key is called as a combination keys because they only work together with the other keys. For example, we use it for a shortcut keys. Next is a escape key. This key is used to escape or to exit from the function or a program in a computer. Next key is a tab key. This key is used to give the space between the letters. When we press the tab key, it gives 5 letter space. So there is a difference between space bar key and the tab key. What is the difference, children? Yes, very good. The space bar key is one letter space, whereas the tab key gives 5 letter space. Okay. Let's go for a home assignments. First one, what is keyboard? Second one, mention the different types of keys in a keyboard. And the third one, mention the different types of keys in a keyboard, that is the special keys in a keyboard. Okay children, hope you have understood the lesson in detail with the help of this video. Thank you children.